Okay, we are back again for another day of trying to level my house pad here. This is heavy compacted clay, and it's hard to break through. I've got my John Deere 3025E. We're gonna have another go at it today. I'm gonna try to get all this center section cleared out as best as possible. And then start our house build. So stay tuned, follow along, hit like, subscribe, and maybe build a house of your own someday. All right, God bless you guys. Welcome to another day.
All right, so here I am in my John Deere 3025E. I don't have the box blade teeth all the way pointed down. I don't have them lowered all the way. I found out when I had it that way, it was really digging into the soil too much and stopping my tractor. So I'm just taking a little off the top, just taking my time. And what you'll see throughout this is the uh, I'm working my way down. It's slow. I don't have heavy equipment, but this tractor is all you need. I'm able to just take off a few inches at a time, scraping it down. I dump it. I come on back. It's just a nice, relaxing, beautiful day, and I just get to spend it on my tractor. Okay, so what I'm going to show you guys right here is when you're using the box blade. And you're going in reverse, what you're going to see is that there's so much dirt that it picks up. It's like driving a bulldozer. I'm able to pick up, push lots of dirt. And now that I'm down past a lot of the dry soil and getting into a little bit of moist stuff, you're able to see that I'm able to move a lot more. But box blade, if you have a tractor or subcompact, if you do not have a box blade, I would recommend that as your first uh, purchase. Um, if you're going to do any type of movement, it's great for your roads. It's great for um, digging up the soil. It's great for moving soil. I enjoy using it. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. Hit the like, subscribe. God bless you, and we will see you another day for another day. God bless, guys.